A major security alert. The Philippine Navy reports spotting 19 Chinese warships inside the country's maritime zones, one of the highest monthly counts this year. Across the archipelago, the AFP tracked nearly 15,000 vessels, with over 1,700 refusing to respond to radio challenges. Officials say the surge, especially near northern and western waters, underscores China's persistent presence and the Philippines' heightened push for maritime domain awareness and sovereignty protection.